Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. If you read by the title, yes, we sliding with this thing in manual, man. So no, I ain't gonna waste no time. I ain't gonna waste no time with it. Y'all already know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. Basically, I'm just gonna be sliding in manual the whole time. This ain't no stick shift, but you know it do got the paddle shifters and stuff, so makes for a good time. You know, let y'all hear it. Probably can't hear it for real. Hold up. I think we're coming up to a red light. I'm gonna bump it down real quick. Let y'all hear the downshifts. Wait for it. Woo! That'll never get old, man. I swear that'll never get old. That will never get old to me. But yeah, man, we just sliding around in manual today. I decided to do something different since I ain't never did this before, so you know, I'm just gonna slide around, you know, get a couple pulls in, all that good stuff. Y'all let me know how y'all day going today, man. You know, comment down below, you know, if you had a good day. Hope everybody had a good day, good, nice, blessed day. You know, that's all I wish. That first gear though, boy, that be different. That first gear, boy, that thing, woo. If y'all want to know how to work them paddle shifters, man, make sure you go watch my other video. I got a video on my channel how to use the paddle shifters, you know. Whole video in depth, you know, telling you how to do it. Whole nine. We in these city limits, man. You can't really, you know. Green light. Y'all just, man, that dog on that first gear. Second gear too though. The thing's hit. Like it want to strap you down to the seat when you punch it. Feel me? Dang, like it'll sit you straight to your seat, boy. I ain't lying. It's a beautiful day though out here today. You see, it's beautiful. That downshift will never get old. That'll never get old, man. Back at it, back at it. I love, man, I love fast cars, man. It's nothing like them. For real, it's nothing like them, man. Can't get enough of these. Just get to play around with the gears, you know. Switch lanes all fast. Listen to that. Feel me? It's nothing like it. I get a lot of times, man, when I be just like I just, you know, tap it one time. Would try and get a little slippy slidey real quick, but man, traffic a little bad right now. And this little van in front of me, he ain't really trying to slide for real. Boy, ain't trying to slide for real. Y'all, man, the crazy thing is, man, I could drive this car like I want to, but at the same time, man, I wish I was in like another city or something, so I could like really drive. Cause like the way I'm driving right now, I'm not gonna lie, this like on some calm shit for real, When in all reality, I really could like straight up cut up for real. Them folks ain't trying to miss that light. I don't blame you. But this first gear though, man, this first gear crazy. Like, first gear crazy. Like he want to start sliding, boy. I'm telling you, like he couldn't even, it barely could hang on just then. Man, if y'all was behind the wheel, you'll know what I'm talking about. That was so crazy. Like I really could come around this corner straight bending. God damn, man. Fuck you got going on? Crazy dude. All in the way. Y'all be saying that, man. You see how he tried to pop out real quick? Tripping. But we're gonna end it right there, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this not really crazy long video. I just want to get y'all some content. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, I will catch you guys later.